Hello friends, today I will discuss about conjugate acid and conjugate base. So conjugate acid is generally the species formed when a base gains H+. For example, we have ammonia which is a base, and when it gains H+ by donating its lone pair, we get ammonium ion. So that is what conjugate acid, right? Some more examples. Suppose we have aniline, and when it gains H+, it will become anilinium ion. That is its conjugate acid. Okay. For example, we have hydroxide ion. It will take H+ to become water. So water is the conjugate acid of hydroxide ion. Okay. Now we'll come to conjugate base. Conjugate base basically is the species which formed after acid loses H+. For example, we have hydrochloric acid and it is losing H+, and we are getting chloride ion. This is conjugate base. For example, we have acetic acid. It is losing H+, now forming acetate ion. This is conjugate base, right? Now let's come to this question. What we have, what is the conjugate acid of A and what is the conjugate base of A? This is the substrate, this molecule we have, A. So let's draw the conjugate acid. For that, first we have to identify the acidic and basic group. Okay. So oxygen is more electronegative here. It is more electronegative. So it is more acidic. So this will be acidic group. And nitrogen is less electronegative. That's why it will be a basic group. So suppose first I have to figure out what is the conjugate acid. So I will give H+ to it. Okay. And who will be taking the H+? The more basic group. This is more basic group. Okay. So it will take the H+. And we will get NH3+. This is conjugate acid. Now, coming to conjugate base of A, the second part. Second part again, it's right here, this is the first part. Second part we have to give it, not give anything to this, we will remove H+ from this, okay. So which is acidic group? OH, that will be losing H+, right? So what we will be getting? NH2, O minus, O negative, this one. That is what conjugate base. Okay. So basically, the species formed after gaining H+ will be conjugate acid, where this will be acting as a base. And when this will act as acid, it means it will lose H+ from the acidic hydrogen, and this will get conjugate base. There is the difference of one H+ in acid and conjugate base, or base in conjugate acid. That's all. Thank you.